The global equities sell-off eased across Asian markets with major indexes mixed in after share prices plummeted in the U.S. over fears of how the virus could impact the global economy. South Korea's KOSPI closed lower. Yoon Jung-min breaks down the digits for us.
South Korea's benchmark KOSPI was down over 2% on Tuesday after having opened at over 4% lower in the morning. The KOSDAQ gained some 2%. This was after opening at more than 3% lower at the start of the day. This followed the Bank of Korea's decision to slash its key interest rate to a record low of 0.75% in an emergency meeting on Monday.
So it's not as satisfactory as the Bank of Korea wanted, say at 4:30 yesterday. However, it what happened for the next 12 or 20 hours, Korean market did relatively better than other markets.
Experts also point out that the current situation is due to medical and public health crises affecting the financial markets. Markets appear to want a more confident answer and some measures that would give them more certainty over when the COVID-19 situation might improve. Wall Street also saw another meltdown on Monday, with all major three stock indices posting double-digit drops. The Dow Jones closed almost 13% lower at just over the 20,000 mark, recording its worst day since Black Monday in 1987. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq each tanked by around 12%. Seconds after the opening bell, the S&P 500 dropped 7%, triggering a circuit breaker that halted all trading for 15 minutes. Oil prices plunged to around $30 per barrel early Monday as the markets were spooked over the Fed's decision to cut rates to near zero and to start a massive $700 billion quantitative easing program.
Key rates have been maintaining low levels nowadays compared to the past, so the rate-cutting effect may not be as effective as before. It seems the impact of the coronavirus outbreak somewhat outplays the rate-cutting effect now.
During a presser on Monday, U.S. President Donald Trump said the virus outbreak may last until July or August in the U.S. He added the U.S. may be heading towards a recession, but in terms of the virus, not financially. Yoon Jung-min, Arirang News.